Hey guys, if you really want advanced med, just start screaming right now.
Introduce himself.
Go. Oh my god!
What the fuck, Zane? Zane!
What happened?
What the? It's 11,000 kilobytes!
I will almost stun it.
It'll be great.
What?
Oh my god!
That's it. That's the 11K picture right there.
Oh my god.
4K ultra.
Oh my god.
Did you not
Coastal
change the
school.
difficulty, Anvil?
You wanna go back and change the difficulty? I'll fucking go back and change the difficulty so that we can't fucking see names.
Yeah, just
Local man.
if prior to this I hadn't already wanted to shoot up the school, I would want to shoot up the school by now.
Teacher, can you put yourself on yelling?
Why does the TA look like a fucking Wookiee?
Hey, get off your fucking cell phone!
Now.
Thank you.
I need.
Oh my God.
Before I begin this class, I have something I need to show you all. So if you'll look at the projector real quick, this should work.
Keep your hate speech off our campus.
All right.
Keep your hate speech off our campus.
All right. I want you to be quiet because right now we're playing Nekopara OP, and I'd like you to analyze for a moment. Take it in. It's pretty nice sounding, right? Like everything's pretty peachy. I mean, it should be pretty nice. I'm gonna be opening the trash can real quick, just depositing it right in there. All right, I'd like to introduce our assistant teacher right here. This is Zane.
Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Hi, Chef.
Hi. I'm just introducing our lecturer for today, who has come from a very far location to give you this themed lecture. His name is Max0r. He has a YouTube channel and a Twitch thing, so go check that out if you have free time. Hardcore Gamer gave Nekopara Volume 1 a positive review stating that Nekopara is a light. Yes.
What?
Can I go to the bathroom?
What?
No. I really have to go. I really have to go to the bathroom. Teacher?
Crank me off.
I'm gonna tell my mom. Max0r, take it away.
Woo,
Shut the fuck up back there! I pay $20,000 a year in tuition for this shit!
So, Nekopara. You all know it is the cutesy game where it originally began as a hentai game, actually. And in Nekopara, you bone the shit out of like 4 fucking cat girls. And they're all really goddamn beautiful, and they got the biggest fucking tits around, right? Now I'm here to tell you that these 6 fucking semen demons here are not who they appear. Alright? Because Nekopara is actually a game which takes place in the dystopian future of 2556.
What is this?
Whoa.
Right, and I'm gonna tell you precisely why. Now, if you look back there, you'll see our protagonist, and he actually has a face in that picture. It's pretty rare to find his face in any pictures, but that is what he looks like. He's a normal dude for all intents and purposes. Except for the fact that he's alive. That's really what sets him apart from every other male in the entire Nekopara universe. Because there are no other males in the entire Nekopara universe. There are none. They don't exist. Is also a woman. And excuse me, sir,
Japanese anime.
that's not where you're supposed. You need to get off the lecture stage, sir. You need to step down for a second. Find a seat. You're disrupting the class.
Is that Big Boss?
Is someone get the Wrangler in?
So, fucking. Scientists have hypothesized the political system that has erupted in the Nekopara universe. However, we can confirm that the Nekopara universe begins when Justin Trudeau becomes emperor of the world. Basically,
That's an effective teaching.
Cashew happens to be the product of a genetic abnormality which causes Cashew to... Nicholas, what the fuck are you... This is not the place to be doing this. Your bulge is showing. You need to leave.
Do you hear the gunshots?
I didn't hear anything.
Wait.
All I hear is
Nicholas, what is that?
sick beat.
Nicholas, I'm gonna have to ask you to put that down or you may risk failing the class. Wait, you stole my fucking minigun! He stole my minigun! Put that down, young man.
Alright, I got this.
Thank you.
And Justin from downtown with the folding chair.
Come on, he's out.
This is wrong, dude.
Let him go. Let him go. Alright, alright. Thank you. I'd like to thank Justin for getting us on track. Excuse me, do you... Oh, fuck it, never mind.
I got this.
So, Cashew is of course the I will not accept further violence in my classroom, Justin.
Teacher, I have a question.
But, yes, sir?
Did you prepare this speech? Are you reading a script right now?
I'm not reading a script, no.
You've
memorized?
Yes. Consistent. I will not accept bullying in my classroom. Shut the fuck up, Okay.
Hey, you said a swear.
I'm a professor. I'm allowed to say that.
You said a swear. That's bullying.
Yes, it is.
Teacher, they're passing notes.
So fucking who's passing notes?
An idiot over there with bad taste.
What? I can't identify bad taste by a fucking vision. Also, why is there a fucking head coming out of your chest? Are you okay?
It's just my shirt. Shut up.
It's your
What a weird head.
your head
Why is the teacher bullying?
But anyways, that concludes our first lecture about the Nekopara dystopia and why you should be very careful when you play this game.